What is good, gang? What is good? What is good? So, yeah, as you can see, we're kind of in some drawdown right now on this trade that we ended up executing on. I mean, trade did really well, man. We took an entry the second, this candle kind of started engulfing, giving us a gambler candle method. Everything went good. I just literally found this little support area that here I was just looking at. It kind of made sense to draw it. Basically, our trade is kind of going, well, it's kind of going up north now. We kind of needed to go south at this point. Why did I take these shorts? Let's talk about the shorts, right? So look at the daily, right? So looking at the daily, basically the daily did kind of already make its highs, and then it kind of made the lows, basically breaking and wake filling this. So I mean, since price did actually break under this low of the previous daily candle, I mean, there's got to be some momentum that's gonna keep pushing it down. I mean, we are kind of early in the trade. Not gonna cap. We're really early in the trade, but it was one of those. Setups that it's like, hey, look, you know what? I'd rather just take it than miss out on it. You know what I'm saying? Because look at all this clean traffic over here on the daily. So I mean, I do see 148. 400 being definitely hit tonight. Hopefully I'm in that. I mean, right now the only thing that we got in our favor is basically the 8 SMA, which is holding pretty nicely. Worst case scenario, we will fly up back up here to retest this area, which if you look here on the kind of on the 4 hour, it's kind of like a reversal zone. Previous resistance and it became support. So I mean, it makes sense to have that support area and slash resistance area there. But it's definitely a magnet if we do end up getting stopped out. I do continue to be selling 100% on GU. Even if I do get stopped out, I will give it another chance if we get some more confirmations up here after this rejection. Notice here on the 4 hour that every time price kind of rejected this area, it had some massive pushes to the different direction, except for this candle here. But let's see, guys. I mean, if we do break under this area, I mean, I definitely do see price completely just obliterating to the downside. I don't really like to take Asian session trades. I really don't. I hate it, to be honest. But you know what? It's just one of those setups that did look good. I mean, we were in some profit. We were about 6 pips in profit. And, we kind of came back and we started retesting this area over here. But let's see, guys. I mean, I do believe in this trade. I did take it. I was very cautious as well, man. We got literally about an 8 pip stop loss. I even sent it as a signal over here as well. As you can see, GJ sells, Little Scout Boys 8 pip stop loss. Fuck it. TP1 is about 14 pips, what gives us about 1.8 risk reward ratio on this trade, which is pretty dope. And then we have our other TP levels that I definitely do see being hit. So far so good though, no cap. We keep rejecting this area, which is really lovely in my opinion. So I mean, all we really basically need is just that one candle that's gonna be like, hey, you know what? It's game over for your buys, brother. And then we're just gonna hopefully get this little beautiful as we call nuts. But yeah, guys, that's basically our reason for shorts, man. We got our daily looking good for shorts, kind of completing this whole entire clean traffic to the upside. We broke under this little previous resistance here that became support, broke under there on that daily. We made the daily highs, and once we started continuing downside, breaking candles and wicks and stuff like that, it was definitely an impulsive entry. I'm not gonna cap on that. It's definitely an impulsive entry, but damn, dude, if we definitely actually melt under the 400 level, man, there's definitely a really good opportunity to come and see this area as well, 147,500. Other than that, if we do see some support over here formed, I'd like to create a 4 hour support over here if I were to go long again. But other than that, I'm just gonna be I'm bearish, man. I'm bearish here on GJ. Last few days, have been so terrible, dude. I lose my first trade, I win my second. I just keep finding myself fucking making my money back. So to kind of take a trade like this pretty aggressive. I mean, it would mean the fucking world to me, dude, to win it, dude. Because you know, we have, as you can see here, man, this is the most members I've ever had in my whole entire like Signals program career, 800. So you know, when I do take these trades, it really does hurt me, believe it or not, when we do take these little small losses here and there. You know, I'm a scalper, guys, so my stop loss is always like 10, 12, 13, 15 pips. 20 would be max, never anything above that. You know, and you know, I have these small stop losses, which are pretty cool, but I have these pretty big targets, you know, sometimes that we get like 20, 30, 40 pips, you know, and yeah, guys, lately it's been kind of more of like you know, my last few winners have just literally been hitting like 30 pips, almost 40 pips in profit. I can't get a break. I literally cannot get a break. Ugh, so stressful. But let's see what happens with GJ, guys. I definitely do see price definitely melting. I definitely do. I mean, I'd be pretty bullish above here again. You know, if we can break back above and we start trading above this area, then I'd be definitely bullish. But other than that, I'm bearish under here and definitely bearish under here. So let's see what's good, guys. I'll come back with some more results. Trade is literally almost at break even again. Let me tell you, man, like, I hate the Asian session sometimes. Like, I hate it. But you know what? Sometimes you gotta take it. You know, when the setup is there, the momentum is there, you know, you got to take it. Unfortunately, the momentum kind of died on me. I'm not going to cut partials on this position. I'm not going to lie. Like, I would have literally, like, just probably got out at break even once it pulled up. Remember, I was, like, about 6 pips in profit. But the thing is, like, you know, I'm only risking 8 pips and stuff like that. And, you know, a lot of people always ask me, like, Daniel, what broker do you recommend? What broker do you use? Like, I use Goat Forex. You know, all my signals are traded, my entry points and stop losses and everything is basically on Goat Forex. And if you were to trade on the same broker that I'm using, you'd have an advantage, because I've seen other brokers where you get about a 2, almost 3 pip spread on GJ. Like, I usually get about a 1 pip spread on GJ. So, you know, my spreads have actually kept me in a lot of trades, believe it or not. And I've had a lot of people, my signals get stopped out, you know, because of their spread, or their TPs haven't been hit because of the spread and stuff like that. You know, like, let's say, for example, like, you were on another broker and I called an entry at 972. You probably would have had an entry around, you know, 950, 940. I mean, depends. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's one good thing about, you know, raw spreads brokers. You know, you could just, I'll link it in the bio, guys. Definitely, you know, take a look at it. You know, open up a demo account, give it some, you know, give it a chance. You know, it's got direct market access. You know, leverage up to 1 to 100. But to be honest, I use 500 leverage. So, you know, call me a gambler, whatever you want to call me. I know I'm gonna get hate that I use 1 to 500 leverage, but I use 1 to 500 leverage. You know what I'm saying? We got a 10 minimum deposit over here, $10 minimum deposit, and you know, raw spreads. Like, you know, it doesn't get better than that. So, you know, I've been in scalps like this where my broker has literally saved me. You know what I'm saying? So definitely give you know, Go Forex a shot, man. Other than that, yeah, that's basically it. All my trades, all my signals, everything is based off, you know, the entries and the stop losses on this exact broker right here. So I'll link them in the description below. Definitely give them a chance. Like, you know, let me tell you, when you got direct market access and you got raw spreads, I mean, it doesn't get fucking better than that. Like, you literally level the playing field. Like, you're literally leveling the playing field in your favor. So definitely give it a shot. Open up a demo account. It's not real money anyways, you know, just give it a shot. Look at the spreads. You know, look how everything moves clean. Like, you know, I'm telling you guys, it's definitely recommended. But anyways, our trade right now is kind of going south right now. This is not looking good whatsoever. Like, dude, like, this is so annoying. This is so annoying. Like, we just rejected it and now we rejected this. Like, we rejected it to the upside, now we're rejecting it to the downside. So there is a very high probability my trade is going to lose. Once price hits 940, I'm definitely out because of my spread. So let's see. I mean, that'd be a freaking miracle at this point if I win this trade. But like I said, if I do lose this trade, I definitely will find more confirmations up here in order to continue to the downside. Definitely target this area and then continue to the downside to target this area right over here. I know it was kind of early for the trade, so, you know, if I do take the loss, I mean, that's all on me. But you know, hey, it could have just completely melted like it did over here, and hey, if I didn't take the trade, then I would have been pretty mad, I'm not gonna lie. It would have probably messed up my psychology for the next trade. this candle most likely will fly and stop me out if it doesn't start melting. But anyways, let's see how this trade goes, guys. I mean, it's Asian session. I don't expect the biggest pushes or the most out of everything. But you know what? Hey, if I can get an entry down here, you know, and it keeps going all the way down, then what am I gonna do about it? It's just trading, guys. Trading is a game of probabilities. You know, we're about 3 pips in drawdown, depending on the broker or whatever broker you're using, about 4 pips, 5 pips drawdown at this point. But you know, it's only a little 8 pip stop loss. So let's see how it goes. It's not a big hit or nothing, and let's see. All right, boys. Looks like we're most likely going to get stopped out. I'm like 2 pips away, no cap. I really will be actually salty if we hit this SMA and then come back down, to be honest. It definitely didn't go well with this candle. I mean, this was not gonna lie, this was pretty nice. This was pretty nice. So, you know, definitely look at that. We got stopped out. I just literally got stopped out. Definitely wasn't our trade, boys. So let's see what happens on the next trade. That would suck if it completely melted. Honestly, that would be terrible. But let's see what happens on the next trade, guys. Definitely wasn't our trade. About 8 pip loss over here. Kind of gonna wait for some confirmations here and let's see what's good. Alright, gang, so we just got stopped out on our little sells over here. Man, this was a beautiful candle confirmation, man. Like, it was just nice, dude. Like, 8 pip stop loss. I mean, we're trading under this, you know, support level over here. Like, daily, you know, kind of wick filled it and then, you know, kind of broke the lows. You know, that was just mad. That was just mad momentum, in my opinion. Just keep melting down. Like, even the 30-minute just kind of just said, fuck this area. And they just kept coming down. And then, you know, it just kind of went to hell from there. It sucks we got in on the fucking retracement, but we can't do nothing about it, guys. Like I said, you know, I'm bearish under this area. I do plan to be bullish above this area if we can get some buy confirmations up here. You know, the target area is up here, like a nice little 20-30 pips to this area, and then up here for about 60 pips. But other than that, guys, I'm still a little bearish. If we can get some more candle confirmations for sells in this area, then I'll definitely take them. But I'm definitely buys above this area. So let's see what's in stores for us. Alrighty, gang. So we're giving these shorts another chance. Stop loss is going to be above the area where I do feel like I will be bullish. So we got a nice little bearish engulfing candle on this 5-minute. We got a 10 pip stop loss, about 11 pip stop loss on this trade here. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. This SMA is not in my favor on a 5-minute. But 10-minute close kind of forming a little mini resistance. I mean, dude, I mean, if we just start flying from here, then I definitely know for a fact we're screwed over. But this is trading, guys. We can't be scared to take trades. You know what I'm saying? So this is my last sell opportunity over here with this nice bearish engulfing candle, the 5-minute. I got this little channel here for some reason that I've been looking at. So hopefully the 30-minute respects it. That'd be pretty freaking dope. Because I know if it does, man, it's just nuts from here, dude. Like, just straight balling from here, man. Our TP1 is at 9:30. God, that 5-minute is literally disgusting, dude. At this point, I just feel like I'm gambling, dude. But it's just under here, man. I'm bearish, dude. I'm bearish under here. So, I mean, not my session, so I definitely take full responsibility for everything that's gonna happen to me, whether we win or lose. But shit, right now about 2 pips in drawdown. Stressful, dude. Stressful. I hate this session, dude. But if it's there, it's there. You gotta take the trade. You know what I mean? Well, probably not, but that is not good at all. Like, we need to start coming down. That'd be beautiful. But yeah, I definitely just I definitely just said it over here as well. This is the last sell for the session. I do not plan to give these shorts another chance in the Asian. I definitely don't. I did a breakdown video and everything for this little trade. If you really think about it, I mean, we're kind of like on a little Fibonacci over here from this area to this area. So I mean, got in over here. I really wanted to get in on the 50. But the thing is, like, I just kind of needed that 5 minutes to kind of give me that a little feeling of like, oh, okay, cool. So that 5 minute did give me that that candle of confirmation over here, a little bearish engulfing candle. So let's see, man. We lost about 8 pips here. So even if we hit TP1, man, we're pretty profitable for the night. So that'd be pretty cool. I do plan to hold this trade though, because if this Fibonacci short gets respected, man, we're coming down. You know, and I don't think we're coming down, you know, slow. We might come down hard, you know. But I probably might get out around 700, depending how momentum is. Getting on again on a retracement. Let's see what's up. Trade is officially in profit. Thank fucking God. I did want to move my stop loss, believe it or not, but I was like, nah, dude, I can't move my stop loss. I can't. I don't want to move the stop loss. Oh, fire! Look at that. Let's do this, dude. Let's do this, man. Are we gonna win this trade? Who knows, guys? Let's see. When we make our money, dude, for the last 3 freaking days, it's like I lose my first trade, my second trade I make my money back, you know, and some extra. Like it's been kind of crazy to me, you know. Like it's the same setup that I keep taking that gets stopped out, and the same setup right after with another confirmation gets, you know, hits the targets like on the spot, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, let's see. Shit, we're doing pretty good already. Beautiful, beautiful. Hopefully this golden zone holds, man. We're trading under 38, so hopefully no 38 rejections, unless, you know, we close under here, come back, boom, retest, boom. That'd be beautiful, man. But you know, first target about 13 pips. Let's do this, man. Let's do this. And I know for a fact that we break under here, dude, I know we're just gonna bleed, dude. We are gonna bleed. So let's see, guys. What is going to happen, man? What is going to happen? I hate this session. I hate this session. But, man, like I said, guys, if the setup is there, you can't be afraid to take it, man. You got to just manage your risk and take it. You know what I mean? But I'll come back and let's see, man. Hopefully we hit TP1, make our fucking money back. You know, we lost 8 pips on the other one. You know what I mean? So let's see what's good. All right, boys. Will this be the candle? We're 1.3 pips away. Will it be the candle? Doo-dun, 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 doo-dun. Oh, wait. I gotta get ready for this. Gotta get ready for this. Oh, the doki doki. Oh, my God. Let's go. So it's going to be TP1 hit for 12 pips. Money made back and some extra. Let's go. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, my God. It's not official until it hits it. It's not official until it hits it. Come on. You're half a pip away, bruh. Dude, I swear I'm going to flip a shit if it fucking flies up. Oh, my God, bro. I'm going to flip a shit. Give me one more pip, bruh. It's not official until it hits it. It was, oh, my God, I was 3 pips away. I'm half a pip away. It's not official until you hit it. Don't do this to me, bruh. Don't do this to me. Come on. GJ, I've been nice to you. I've been nice to you. Come on, baby. It's going to melt right now. Oh, my God. It's going to bleed, bro. It's going to melt. Oh, let's go. 933. Come on. Half a pip. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on. It's been 1 minute and 30 seconds jerking around over here. Oh, my God. Let's go, bro. Stop playing with the boy. Okay, dokie. Yeah, I'm going to put stop to break even. Cool. Just sent the message as well. Stops to break even. Let's do this. Dude, this trade had like 1 pip drawdown, bro. That's crazy to me. Come on, dude. What are you gonna do? You're gonna melt? What are you gonna do? 30-minute. Oh my God. Broke under that support. Just fire. Oh my God. It's gonna melt, guys. What are you gonna do? It's gonna melt. I feel it. Like it's gonna just be one fat candle. Oh shit. Woo. Wow, I'm excited, dude. I'm actually happy now. I mean, I wasn't really like about it. You know, I was kind of shitty about it, moody about it, but whatever. We made our money back. I mean, damn, dude. I should take partials right now. I should. Nah, I'm gonna hold it. Fuck it. Let's see what happens, boys. In this situation, what we do is we pray the Lord Jesus Christ, please don't stop us out of break even, because then we actually end up losing money today. So no runners for me today, boys. No runners for me today. We're gonna, like I said, I'm probably gonna take some partials around this area between 800 and 750. Let's see what is good. Or maybe around 20 pips. Around 20 pips, I make twice as much as my loss. So I don't know, dude. Like I said, every candle, it depends on every single candle, guys. So I mean, let's see what's good. Bruh, what the fuck did I say, dude? What the fuck did I just fucking say, dude? Oh, like, come on, bro. Like, oh, come on, dude. Come on, dude. Keep going, dude. Yeah, fuck that. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna close 80%. Fire. Well, boys, that's basically it. Yeah, guys, it is what it is, man. What a shit. Anyways, that's it for this YouTube video, guys. You guys know the vibes, man. Daniel Savage, and I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.